ServiceNow versus Freshservice, which is the best help desk software. If you're stuck choosing between these two, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs, and there's a twist at the end, so stick around. First off, ServiceNow is an enterprise-level IT service management tool, while Freshservice is more tailored to mid-sized businesses. But which one actually delivers the best experience? Let's talk features. ServiceNow is a powerhouse with ITSM, ITOM, and workflow automation that can handle even the most complex enterprise needs. It's incredibly customizable, but that also means a steep learning curve. If you don't have a dedicated IT team, expect to spend time and money on implementation. Freshservice, on the other hand, offers a cleaner, more intuitive interface with an easy setup. It covers IT service management well, but if you need deep customization and automation, it might feel limited. Next thing, pricing. ServiceNow is notoriously expensive, with custom pricing that varies based on features and business size. If you need full ITSM capabilities, expect to pay a premium. Freshservice, in contrast, has transparent pricing with multiple plans. It's a more budget-friendly option for businesses that don't need ServiceNow's enterprise-level capabilities. The third thing, user experience. ServiceNow is feature-rich but clunky. It's powerful, but navigating it can feel overwhelming without proper training. Freshservice prioritizes user experience with a modern interface that's far easier to use. If you want a help desk solution that requires minimal onboarding, Freshservice wins here. The fourth thing, integrations. ServiceNow has an extensive marketplace with deep integrations across IT and business tools. If your company relies on other enterprise software, ServiceNow will fit seamlessly. Freshservice also has solid integrations, but it's more limited compared to ServiceNow. If you need something plug-and-play with essential apps like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Jira, Freshservice does the job. But for large-scale IT ecosystems, ServiceNow still takes the lead. Customer support? Both offer solid support, but Freshservice gets better reviews for responsiveness and ease of contact. ServiceNow, being enterprise-focused, often has longer response times unless you're on a high-tier plan. So which is the best help desk software? Both have their strengths. ServiceNow is ideal for enterprises that need deep customization, while Freshservice is great for mid-sized businesses looking for an easy-to-use solution. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that balances powerful features with ease of use, and it won't break the bank. If you want the best help desk software for your needs, check the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link.